The state added more than 2,300 new COVID cases in the past 24 hours. That brings the statewide total to more than 336,000 cases. Deaths increased, but the positivity rate and hospitalizations continue to drop.
Restaurants in Baltimore are now open again with COVID restrictions in place. WJZ is live in Federal Hill. Annie Rose Ramos explains the changes that took effect this morning. Annie Rose?
Hey, Lynn and Tim, we're here at Blue Moon 2 Cafe, where they're cleaning down the front doors every 15 minutes. They're taking down everybody's name and number here on this notepad, and they're deep cleaning all of the tables. But the staff say they don't mind these extra steps because they're just happy to see their customers come through that front door once again.
A bustling morning breakfast crowd at Blue Moon 2 Cafe in Federal Hill, something staff hasn't seen in weeks.
It's super exciting.
Starting Friday at 6 a.m., in-person dining can now resume in Baltimore City.
With the most recent leveling in cases, I have made the decision to adjust our city's COVID-19 mandates.
The change coming with new restrictions. Indoor dining capped at 25% capacity and outdoor dining at 50%.
It's been weird not being able to sit down at places or socialize, I guess.
Diners like Claire limited to only 1 hour at restaurants.
That's new to me.
When we put the times down, we go back periodically and check it and just making sure everyone's in and out within an hour.
Also required a sign-in sheet tracking anyone coming in and going out. Since December, on-premise dining has been forbidden. Restaurants limited to carry-out and delivery service.
It's been tough for the last few weeks.
With the city now having the lowest positivity rate in the state, restaurant staff hopes they won't have to shut down again.
We hope this is definitely the final time and things can only get better.
And Lynn, we expect to see these new changes remain in place at least for the next 4 weeks. Reporting live from Fed Hill, I'm Annie Rose Ramos for WJZ.
Governor Hogan calls for all Maryland schools to return to in-person learning by March. The governor says there is no public health reason for school boards to keep students out of schools. Despite this, some teachers, parents, and students have concerns about the risk of in-person learning. Teachers and support staff in Maryland just became eligible for vaccines this week. WJZ will have more reaction to the governor's call for schools to reopen coming up today at 5 o'clock. And we're getting a look inside the Maryland State Fairgrounds Vaccine Clinic. 10 members of the National Guard are on site helping with both medical and administrative tasks. Seniors 75 and older are getting their shots, and the wait is now 15 minutes or less.
Very efficiently run. Nice job, everybody.
We have great grandchildren. We want to be able to hug them. We've been healthy most of our lives. We want to remain healthy, and this is one thing that would facilitate.
Healthcare workers, teachers, and government workers are also eligible to get their vaccine. You do need an appointment to get one. And for seniors without internet access, they can call 311. Monday, Phase 1C will begin. That includes Marylanders 65 years old and older.
There could soon be another COVID vaccine available, and its maker, Johnson & Johnson, is planning to have enough doses for 100 million Americans by April. And right now, the vaccine is in large-scale trials to make sure it is safe and effective. Dr. Anthony Fauci says the company is close to seeking an emergency use authorization from the FDA. Johnson & Johnson's vaccine has some benefits to the ones currently available. It will be administered in a single shot and does not need to be stored as cold.